rock stones here like car now. Alright, so since me just pass a community, me have to go reverse. Watch out, see me I talk about? So me just pass one little spot, so make me reverse. See if we can do it right or so. Man, I you see that? Blessed love, my people. Yeah. Now try out that look up camera and thing, you see me? Right now we are at one place called Medstone. But we are drive from we are called this so we are drive from Mytown. So My Town is in the hills of Manchester. So we drive from My Town, you know, head to Bath. We just passed Bath a while ago in a Manchester, and we are head towards Medstone, the Nazareth and infant school, because we are going to view the tree house. Massive, when we tell us it's a serious piece of road, it's a serious piece of road, me up of it, tell myself, say, I go put on the camera and make you see that journey, because I tell us, say, it's serious, massive, look on the road. So big up everybody, you know, we just join the video. You know what I mean? A long time I don't do one video like this. I'm not even sure what I go on outside with the video thing, because I say first I try the camera here, so make we see what I go on. You understand? So based on how the video turn out, I will post it. If it not turn out good enough, so then I can see it. Yeah. But all them road are one vehicle, you know. And one vehicle a while ago down the song, I have to reverse go far to make a vehicle, to make one truck pass. You see me? But yo, I not even know say them places exist, my friend. It's a beautiful day because you know rain a kind of pour down a little bit and things at the time cool, and we are enjoy the drive. Me not tell you like I be alone there still, but I say we are enjoy the drive. You see me? I say all are we there. But I want serious road. Me not go around here. All of them are deep corner and sitting in one vehicle. So if a vehicle forward right now, me and them have to go decide what we are doing. Who are going to reverse or who are going to go forward. Look on the place. Jaja no, bro. Yeah, man. So this is the parish of Manchester with it. You see me I say? And we are head to Medstone. So I'm not sure which one of them video I probably drop first, if I the tree house or this driving video, to make you see the journey before I reach at the tree house. But the tree house, they're up in one bush. But it's not the road not all that bad, to be honest with you. But it is very drivable, but as I say, as you can see, one vehicle. A lot of vehicles don't drive around here. Because since me have passed, I must about 3 vehicles pass me on the road. So you pretty much can just drive. So the chances of to buck up on vehicle and then thing there, it really did. You see me? But yeah, big up to everybody who watch the video. We just drive and we enjoy the drive and see what go until we reach some nice houses around here, neat and thing. You see me? So people just survive, see them way and go on. I always tell myself that just reside all in my older age in one of them places and make a nice villa, some of them places and I can get land. And just easy. Plant up some food, so yam and cassava, pumpkin, papa, all I think that way you know easy if you grow on them little things and just plant them up. Because you can see them places get rain a lot. Yeah man, them places are always wet because of the vegetation. You see me? And you know say vegetation sitting there. What do they call it? The vegetation attracts the rain. You see? See it? There's nice, some nice houses around here. People are built up and go and see them way. Good day. And it's a great vibe. Whoa. So, I'm not sure how, let me see how much this I say. What is it, 7 minutes? I think this I say 7 minutes. We're 7 minutes away or something like that. Because I've been a driver a while now and I just decide, I'm going to just record the rest of the journey, so I don't know how long this video is going to be. But I just go and drive and see how it turn out. Big up to Miss Cadine Sterling, I don't know. Miss Cadine Sterling, blessings and love always, man. You see me? Big up to 10th floor. All of my Jamaica walk by massive them. Members, wow, that was up on the hill, that's a nice and thing. I like the way them put up and thing, it man. You see me? Yeah, as me say, and everybody who support Jamaica walk by, me just want to say blessings and respect every time. I love when I lit up the comment section and just go and comment on the video them. Once you watch the video, please me I beg you drop a comment. Drop a comment on the video. Once me know say you see. You see me? I want to see all like persons that actually I watch a take part. All 500 comment. Come on, we get a whole heap of views. But I want to see you comment some more, man. Drop some comment, man. Like the video and drop a comment. Even though if you watch it on your TV, just take a little time out to go up on your phone and drop a little comment, man, and watch it back on your TV. You see me? Yes, man. That me I deal with. But yeah, because Jamaica beautiful, man. And some of them places you don't hear about them on the map, none time. You don't hear about no crime, no violence, no nothing. People them just live around them side. Them places where I go come live, man, and come out a heap of controversy. So that house there right now that's up on the hillside there. Man. And the place. People them a farm up them tomato, scallion. What you mean? Them meds them I talk about, brother. You don't even have to get running water. Like, you set up your tank and get a couple of black drum and rig up that by your house and set it one way as rain fall. You capture your own water and do what you do. You can't do it by the time rain to fall again. Yes, man. So, let's go, man. But I have to say big up, boy. We followed a long way and thing, and the support is real. And I keep on supporting Jamaica walk by as I try to go on the best content them and best quality as well as we grow. You see it? Road to 300k. Wow. And help me get there. Don't just watch. Subscribe. So once you can subscribe to the channel, please me beg you subscribe. So yeah. So this road is called the Wilderness. Then call it the Wilderness to Arley. You understand? I don't know. But that's how I see on the map. Wilderness to Huntley. Oh, to Huntley Road. So Wilderness to Huntley Road. Correction. Funny place. Whoa, yo. So when me a forward, man, me go and look a joke and tell the G say me a forward and thing. Bro, I say, yo, you not afraid to drive on narrow road? I said, no, man, I'm a good man. I said, boy, I got one vehicle road in the road narrow. You know? I said, Jaja, no. And I said, yeah, man, the road narrow, man. So you have to can drive, you know, but I think I want to look at chopping my talk about, but I almost the whole of the road. Almost the whole of the road narrow. You see how long me I drive and I just want no vehicle to pass me. I just me alone. So I not even know how the taxi thing go around here, so because as I say, road no bad, you know. The road no bad, but how the taxi thing go? Because me not see no taxi. So you probably have to go have your own vehicle, or me not sure how it's set up. See, I want trucker try to come out here, so be a skidding and thing. So the skid now come out at all. Jaja no. So I want to reach at this place quick and fast if you get this video active, even though it rain a juju. You know rain not in that at all. And even though the place looks so dark, it is now 11 minutes after 2 in the PM. But I just show the rain make it kind of look so dark, you see me? Watch out, not even me and fire can pass. Fire. Yeah, that even me and fire can pass. Okay, road about Jaja though. Where is this? This is Huntley, see the Huntley Missionary Church. Just a pass that right here, so on the road. Whoa, yo, it's crazy. So you better can drive. You better can drive. So you 1 and 2 patrol me really got through. But and then again through the panel look hillside and all of them things there. You're good to go. No rain really a Jew, you know. Inside I want to get cool, brother. So see if we can crack your window them a little bit. Rock stones here like car, you know. Alright, so since me just pass a community, me have to go reverse. Watch out, see what I talk about? So me just pass one little spot, so make me reverse. See if we can do it right or so. Man, I you see that? Same thing me I talk about, so one vehicle road, brother. So the bro just a tooty man and them thing and I say, yo, me a forward car. Him couldn't reverse because I done the way down already, so I just reverse and catch a little spot there and make him pass. Jaja no boy. This is one sign the wilderness. So let's go, man. Nice little vibe. So one truck and so hardly pass vehicle to be honest with you. But with a 3 minutes out from our destination. Why I tell you say the video I wish me did have record from a longer time, but me just say no, me just start. Pan the place, man. I would definitely leave them aside. I'm not gonna tell no lie. Because me as a man, I don't have any problem with isolation. You can get a time for yourself and you breathe and you can look upon life and enjoy it, you know what I mean? Because me used to love growing up in the country area. I used to have enough fun. Cause I don't run for play it myself, and I tell you the truth, and I just sit down and enjoy my own company, brother. Yeah, man, if I have a game what I like, I play that game there. Or some stay, I go bush, go shoot bird. You understand? Have me goat them and things up on the place, man. Oh, yo. Beautiful, man. So, yeah. This side, you know. No, man. Let me see. So, okay. I never drive this side yet, come here say now. So, let's see. So I'm putting a map for the Nazareth. Let me call my boy. Oh, it's up here. It's up this side. Never come so far. Let me call him, you know? So his name is Roal or something like that. I gotta ask him how to pronounce the name. Yeah, my boss. How you pronounce your name again? Yeah, how you pronounce your name again? Roll?
Hold on, the signal bad man. Go.
Yeah, me almost reached the primary school, Nazareth.
Okay, good. Alright, so you come from the same direction I'm gonna tell you. Where that right, right?
Yeah, man, I see him direction me take.
Alright, so when you reach this, when you reach the school, you take the right in front of that dumpster. You see one cedar tree hang over the ball field. You come in at the right hand side.
Hold on there. Alright, may I drive from, let me see which shop. Me tell you exactly where me there.
You reach the post office?
No, me not reach the post office yet, but it look like that direction me I come from.
Yeah man, that direction you're supposed to come from.
Usually me forward from the next direction.
Yeah man. So when you reach down this, you run around this now, before you reach Nazareth Gate, there's a right turn.
Yeah. I mean know that I wonder, you know McNally them?
McNally?
Yeah, McNally them.
Oh no.
Because up that side there, my spouse, people then live.
Where they come from?
Yeah.
Seeing.
Hold on there, let me see. I hope me not pass the school, you know. Let me see.
No, you can't pass the school yet, man. You don't see school, man. You don't reach the school. You don't reach the school yet.
Hold on there.
That's I think. Hold on there. Hold on there. Just a second there. Did you take a left turn after you come up a smooth piece of road?
Me honestly not remember, man. But me know me not go pass. Me not go pass.
No, you reach the John's on it?
Let me see. Yeah, me the right at John's. No, it tell me say. Me dey on John's Hall to Huntley Road.
John's Hall to Huntley?
Yeah, me I go towards.
Okay. So you come up. You didn't see the seed store, the farm store.
Me I wonder. Me not remember about the farm. Me pass some place still. Well, me know say me dey on the right track. I don't think me dey on the wrong track.
Yes, so nobody can ask nothing.
Alright, when me see somebody right, I know me I go ask them. But I think
nobody asks them how to reach a Medstone.
Me come on Medstone. I think me there up.
I think you take the other road.
Yeah.
So I make sure you see the contract. You know, urge to ask somebody.
Yeah, and me see somebody, me I go ask them. And
yeah, man. So you rain and fall, so?
No, rain and fall, you know.
Yeah?
No rain, no really a fall.
Okay.
Me know that side of the door, man. Alright. When if anything, look for me call you back in our next sec. Me look at me see nobody.
The thing about you know, after you pass this farm store and come up, there's a right turn where you're not supposed to take, and there's a left turn that you're supposed to take.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Me want when me reach at Nazareth. Me want when me reach right
but me don't want you to miss your turn before you reach Nazareth.
Yeah, man, no, man, but me can always call you back, man. Me can call you back. You say me have got reverse. But me want to know, say me the right there, so, and then me call you.
Alright, I'm
yeah.
something then.
Alright.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so, me are going to make sure, say, to me don't know, but it feel like me pass the Nazareth. Give me 1 second there. I want to make sure say it look like me pass, you know. And I realize, let me see. Based on the map, it look like me pass it. Come here and say, why them party look so? Like me could look back on them, man. I can see what I go on. Cause it look like service bad more while. So that threw me off. Come back up now, man. Come in, man. Let me look. See. Hold on there. I Thanks, brother. Medstone. At the road to Medstone, Nazareth, and then Nazareth, let's go and see me. Alright then, respect. Alright, mad. Alright, TG say, let's go and see it. Yeah, I look like me pass it for real. So, make we see. Alright, massive. So we're back on the journey. Them places are bit confusing, you know, because guess what? Signage them not really accurate, bro, and then really have none. So you have to ask questions, and sometimes the map get me not know if I confused. I don't know if that's the word them if you use, but you get rough more while, and then service is a thing. So your service jump off, map freeze up, because look like that go on with me a while ago. Cha. But we have to factor in them things to you, man, because more while I just saw you go. More while I just saw you go. But I honestly don't know it from them side I like that. See, it has a right here, so, but I don't think a right. And a right here, so. It has a right here, so, but I'm a right here, so. Let me see. As the G said, go straight. Let me stop. Why? Make us see. All right. So a map wrong with the school. So when we do, I put it in the Medstone Museum because the Medstone Museum is on the school property. So them have to go update this. Somebody probably have to go up on Google and update the school location because it's not right. You see me? A crazy rain of falling, look there. Jaja, no. Alright, we're still going. We're on track. So I'm putting in something else. Hope me not drive too fast, but rain and time ago. So I can see how this goes. So I can go and comment on our watch from. I wonder what I watch from. I like to see the different places. Oh, it has to go down there, so. But I don't know if I'm down there, so, bro. Never normally take this, so. It has to go down there, so. I don't go down there, so. Map do me that already, you know. I don't go down there, so, you know. The map do me that already, you know. I don't go down that one there. Nah, go down there, so, my friend. I don't know. I'm gonna call back my boy. Alright, me just go to Nazareth, the school that one, because John. I'm not going down that grade. I think I come here already and it tell me if I go down that grade there, and I'm not go down that grade there. Nah, go down that grade. I think a year so we normally drive, bruv. Yo, this thing I chew me off, brother. Me ask a G. A map I take jugs. Yo, family! Manners, see go on Medstone.
Yeah, we're on the right road.
Alright then.
Right.
Alright then. Alright, that's a code. Respect, saying? Man. Alright, so no turn off, just hold it straight. up and update with them place, man. Yeah, this is it for real, man. So, I'm sure it's not supposed to be far from right or so. I hope somebody will watch that video from Medstone can probably go up on Google and set the location for the school and the museum, because this not right. On the road, oh. Let's go, man. Watch this. Hold on, up on the journey with my boy. Jaja, no. And then said, let's go straight. Don't turn off. Ah, boy. Alright. Jaja. So now at 27 after 2. Man, we are going to get a nice, interesting video. We really always wanted to get this 3 hours recorded. Jaja, no. It's a road. No fun. I said, me not drive that the road there. Watch I say, you know. Oh, if not never come, if you turn back. Oi. Yeah, me know this is a road. Yikes. Watch the place, man. Mad. I almost reach Medstone Square, you know? So you have to blow your hand in, man. Jaja. Who would have taken on that journey? I could hear it in the comment section. Who would have taken on that journey? Oi. And then my journey, we have to take on more while to get to know some great content. Somebody have to do it though. Jaja, no. So we almost reached. Hold on, my car back, my boy. Yeah, my boss. So,
Yeah.
me just pass Silver Grove. Me go reach a Medstone.
Silver Grove. Silver Grove.
Yeah, me end up in pass one turn off, so me I go right back me I go right at the Medstone Square, right at the school.
Oh yeah, so you're there on the route where you got that means you turn inside the bar then.
Yeah, me have to, yes, me have to turn. Me going up
And the half there, you end up turn inside that bar.
in a bar.
Yeah man, so you should have passed that and keep on your right.
Oh, because show me that follow the map. The map make me turn in a bar for real.
Me should have tell you this is one same thing man. If you can't go to a far place where you don't know about. But anyway. Alright, so that
Me
means
the 3 minutes, yeah, me the 3 minutes away from the
Yeah man, you're on the route where you usually take now.
Yes.
Alright, so cool. But when you done that, you come off the map.
Yeah man, me come off a map here now man, because at least you bring me to. But me don't know a road, so me probably have to use it to go to a point, you know see it?
Alright, so that's so good.
Alright, so me there 2 minutes away from the school.
Okay, alright, that's how we say.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright, so when me reach this you know, what me do?
You're going to take the left this time.
Yeah,
At the dumpster.
that are right at the Medstone sign?
Yeah man. Yes, right there, sir.
Yeah, that left there, right. Me know that.
Yeah,
around there, me spouse people them forward from man.
Seeing.
Yeah.
Alright, sir.
So
That's a good one.
So me I go just take a left and just follow the road come round.
Yeah man, just take a left and follow the road come there, you can't go wrong.
Alright. So
Yeah, man.
upon that the road there you there? About how much minutes from the side?
Probably about 10, well it all depends on how you drive. May I give you probably about 15 minutes or 20 maybe.
Alright.
Because you're going past couple of tuggle where mud come down, you just take time and come to them place because you know sliding business. Because like how the rain just fall hard like a while.
Yeah. It rain that fall hard that side.
Where is it? So the rain drop down like a while you're fat.
Yeah.
Listen to me man. Yeah man, so you just take your time forward.
Alright. Some people in front of me are move slow, so soon reach.
Yeah, that is the one. See you here.
Alright, mad.
Alright, Maji, that is it.
So yeah, that's the owner for the tree house where we are go and thing. What a journey, man. So me know that area there, but me never pass where Lexi family them there, you see it? So I go see how far in the way I go. I want people live them place Medstone. So when I see the Medstone video when we did do at the same place the way I go. At least I see how to really reach the place in this video. I'm glad I hope I can get to post this, that it will show good and thing and everything alright. You see me? Yeah, no. Let's go. Good while now, man, driving. Hey, when we reach, my boy said when I reach, what you call that place there? Mike Town. You know, but I feel like you're reaching a one nice good journey after Mike Town. He wasn't kidding, man. Yeah. Nearly about a hour for real, about a hour from Mike Town. Out of drive it to come here. So we almost reach Medstone Square. Cha. This, man. Better know what we're doing up on some cliffside with there, you know. Still would I live up here. The air is beautiful and fresh. You see me? The air is beautiful and fresh. Nice. And them your area people feel breathing, bro. Alright. So as soon as we go up that hill we're supposed to reach the square. Whoa. Brother, it's a journey, man. Jesus. Come here a few times and it's still a wow every time. Alright. So this is where I started the video. Right here, so I'll walk, go up to the square a little bit. So we're going to take a left at the Medstone sign. So this is a Nazareth Primary and Infant School right here. You understand? And we're going to take that left here up here, so. You have my Sophia store. See? Medstone. A mad thing, man. Alright, so we'll take a left here. Jaja. Alright, so supposed to take a next this left here, so and come on. Alright, just the clarification now. I'm gonna tell him when I'm there. I'm gonna call him back. Tell him I'm there. Oh.
You have been redirected to.
Alright, me nah get him, but usually once I call him and he miss call come in and call back. I want good general. Boy, I'm going to pass over there. So. Manners. Alright. Damn. The enemy not meet right at that little spot there. So remember, I walk a section of the road here. It was beautiful. I may not get him now. As he made that explain to me with the service thing. So I did walk them place and I show you how it looks. You hear them thunder there, man? Where is that? Oh yes, massive. If you don't like the journey, blessings and respect, man. It was a great drive. So, this thing I tell me say the battery low upon that device the outside. So, make we see how far it I go carry. But so far, if it done before me get to close the video properly or before me reach, I just want to say big up and respect, man, and thank you so much for watching the drive. Nice. But it I say me have 10%, but we can go and drive same way. But if I not get to close it, you know what thing go. Art of Love, man. Drop some comment in the comment section, man, and load up the video. Tell me what you think about the journey. Tell me what you think about them place here. And all of them good things there. See? I try to call back my boy. To see if I can get him. Is it? Before me pass or something. I try to get him.
You have been redirected.
Nah, get through. So I have to go look if I see nobody, you know. When I can ask no question because I don't want to pass. You understand? But with the way up on the hilltop, man, Jaja. But big up all my dieted subscribers, all our persons them where I hold it for Jamaica walk by, I drop the comment them and that's a make we go through, you know? And I keep the channel growing and keep it going. But I like me get him now still, that way them me no miss. Or me have to go turn back or something. That's the only thing I know. But me even talk about some little mud part and thing. I mean, I reach the mud part yet, so I guess me not reach them part there yet. So me just go and drive.
Redirected.
Still not get him. Whoa. They're way up on some mountain side with them, I said, remember me tell you, like, me I hope so me can get one good camera angle. So you can see when me attack on some cliff side with it. I still try to call him still and see what I go on. Watch him, man. Damn. I see a G. See if I can ask him. Blessed evening. You know me I try to reach a tree house, but me not get back in general. I want them up on the track. You know which shot it there? I see him track me there, and I call him, but me not get him. Me don't want to go past, you know? Alright then, respect, yeah? Cool. Alright. My boss said cheat down, so we are going. Come like everybody know about that tree house, you know, man. That side there. So. Oh gee, so we're on the right track. So this area is called Maidstone or Maidstone. Let's go. Oh, yikes. Manners. And them a farm right through even the stone them. A plant. The stone them there, that's the stone them no wash away soil. That a gentleman did tell me. Alright, so we have 1% battery left. 1% battery, so big up and respect massive. Thank you so much for watching Art of Love. Scene, that's a code, man.